Okay, I got my fruit from Miami Fruits, and I'm going to open it. So excited. Okay, my variety box from Miami Fruit is now open. Looks like some information. They're saying thank you from Miami Fruit. That's awesome. Let's see what we got in here. Some cards. Looks like some stickers. Ooh, I'm so excited. It looks like we got a variety of bananas, which I wish they would label them so we know what kind of bananas they are. That's one thing I am sad about, not knowing what kind of bananas these are so I could tell you. Let's see, what else do we got? So I'm just going to open this with you. Another set of bananas. Let's see. They look about the same. These are tiny bananas, so I wonder if these are all the same varieties. These are a little bigger, not by much. Looks like this one is almost ripe. Look at that one. That's a little bigger than the others, as you can see. Another banana. I love their bananas. We had the banana variety box, which I will, did make a video on that, and I would post that too. Ooh, look at the ridges on this banana. Like I said, I wish I knew what kind of bananas these are. It should be interesting. I love that we got the tropical bananas. That is like my favorite thing, because you can't get these anywhere. Love it. So this is my banana stash so far. I'm sure there's about 3 or 4 varieties there. Ooh, this one looks different. I always thought that they're not ripe. They're not supposed to be picked if they have these ridges like this noticeable, but again, these are varieties that I probably don't know that much about. So there's the banana stash. Ooh, it looks like we got some more bananas here. Ooh, these are really tiny compared to the others. You can kind of see. Some more awesome little bananas. Sure, these are going to be like dreamsicles. Lots of banana stashes. Ooh, I'm so excited. What is this? Now the variety box, you never know what you're going to get in that. And that's part of the fun. So another banana. Awesome stash here already. Here's one that's yellow and starting to ripen. So the bananas are not ready to be eaten. That's for sure. This one will probably be the first one we eat when it ripens. Ooh! We got a turmeric. Wow, that looks nice. And they don't use pesticides, so this is really nice. And it's kind of fuzzy, softy. I don't know if there's different varieties of turmeric, but it's definitely a little different in feel and stuff. Ooh, this fruit we just discovered recently at, I forgot where we got this. Oh, Myers. This is a yellow dragon fruit, and it's a lot sweeter than the red dragon fruit. Beautiful fruit, and I love this. Ooh, and they even got us a red one to compare with. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? These in the store are like $6.99 a piece. Usually. I rarely ever see these on sale. But now we get to compare the yellow with the red. So awesome. Ooh. I'm thinking passion fruit. Love it. I always wanted to try the fresh ones. Ooh, more turmeric. I love when they give us turmeric. That is so awesome. I hate that I can't give this back to them to reuse because this is not environmentally friendly. It bothers me. Here's another yellow dragon fruit. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. Let's see what else. I don't know what this is. What do you think it is?
Wine? I don't know.
Ooh, this is a fruit we've never seen before. Let me smell it. I don't smell anything. Another beautiful yellow dragon fruit. I am so excited. This is a nice batch here. And, oh, we got another turmeric, a little turmeric baby. Oh, these are so cute. So we got our turmeric, our variety of bananas, our yellow dragon fruit, red dragon fruit, passion fruit, and then we don't know what this thing is yet. And we got one more fruit in here. This is gorgeous. Bet you guys can't figure this one out. I think it's a cacao. I've always had the chocolate, and they get the chocolate from the seeds, but I've never actually tried the actual fruit itself.
What about Costa Rica?
No.
Oh,
I've never tried the fruit of this. I
did.
Cool. We'll have to check that out. Awesome. This is our little variety stash. Everybody's variety box is different. I've been seeing some online, and this is the one we ended up with, which I'm so happy. All right. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. I did get, if you do get the subscription with Miami Fruit, where you get a certain amount of variety boxes a year, they give you like 10% off your bill. So this, with shipping and handling, cost about $95, and before the shipping and handling it was like $68, but totally worth it. It's a lot of fun. And we can't grow this stuff here in Chicago, so. Alright, please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more vids like this. Take care. Bye.